Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 9 of the challenge. Oh, body check. So I think we're on day 9, and if you look at the first video, I think you can actually notice a difference in my body. Sorry that I'm not always using the same angle or anything like that. I'm gonna start using it like this angle right here. I've been having trouble actually figuring out how to make sure it's in focus every single time. So I think this is the best way to do it. So from now on, you'll see me like this. Alright. Going to do my way in. 191.2 pounds and 18.3% body fat. My water is kind of consistent, just above 60%. Just looking at those numbers, it looks like my water is starting to flatten out. At this point, the last time I did a cut when I was doing keto but still having carbohydrates, my water was a little bit above 60%. I should have documented it so I could show you guys. But I think it's interesting my water's a little bit lower. I mean, that's just something I'm kind of paying attention to, just because I couldn't figure out why last time my water was staying high and then getting consistently higher. I couldn't understand that, so I just wanted to sort of figure that out. But these numbers actually give me a lot better idea why, because the only thing I've omitted from my diet is sugars and carbs. And also looking at that, well, I've lost just a little more than 9 pounds, I think 9.2 pounds, and my body fat percentage is almost down exactly, I think it's almost down exactly 2%. It's just a smidge. This is a smidge less than 2% down, so that's pretty good for 9 days. And yesterday actually was my second day of fasting. I haven't done 2 fasted days back to back, so I haven't done fasted days back to back. So yesterday was my second day of fasting. Today I'm breaking my fast just to make things easier for me. And I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna eat. It might be a home cooked meal, and I might be looking for some beef belly. If I can find some beef belly somewhere, I'm gonna cook that, or beef ribs. I might have some beef ribs today. So cook that up. So stay tuned. So my ketone reading is at 6.0. Y'all see that? 6.0. They say it's actually dangerous to be above 5.0. I'm at 6.0 and I feel great. Actually, for the most day I had a lot of energy. So yeah, I feel pretty awesome. Had a little extra ketones right there on the tip of my finger. Gotta get that. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook some food. We're going to, instead of baking bacon, I'm actually gonna fry bacon and then use that bacon grease to actually cook meat. We bought beef ribs, is that right?
Yes.
And also T-bone steaks.
Yes.
We can't get sick and tired of T-bone steaks. It's like getting sick and tired of pizza, except you won't get fat. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later, and enjoy the next video. Life or death question. How do you guys like your bacon cooked? Like, I even want to know the method and the intensity. Do you guys like it extra crispy, semi-chewy, crispy and chewy? I don't know how you get that. She loves it crispy. She loves it like you grab it and it just starts disintegrating. That's how she likes it.
So for Valentine's Day, I made some bacon roses for her. I'll make a video of how to make those. Pretty simple. But they were rolled. They're kind of rolled up, and when you bake them, they actually get really crispy on the outside, but inside it's like moist and chewy, which was delicious.
So I'm gonna try these cueritos. It's pig skin and vinegar, basically, right? That's pretty much what it is. Yeah. Pretty good. I also like eating pork rinds with vinegar too. So these pretty much the same thing. Except it's more chewy. If you don't mind like weird textures to food and you just care about taste, this is pretty good. It's like a savory jello. Yeah. So you can see what I'm talking about. This is what it looks like inside, right here. Blam! I don't want to spill any vinegar all over the place. I'll grab another piece. Ooh, that's so bigger piece than I wanted. And it's all connected. All right.